Hi guys, so I can't wait to show you this, and I probably should have tried to edit the video for this one, but honestly I did it in 3 or 4 different parts and it was so disjointed. I literally almost threw this painting out. And if there ever was a painting that you feel like you should have just thrown out, but there's something in the back of your mind telling you just to try to keep it, just to see what you could do, this is that painting for me. And this painting, I used resin over the top with the primary elements and some white pigment. I've never been able to use it before, so this was a brand new experience for me, and only the second big painting that I've ever resined before. This is a 20 by 20. Look how rich and beautiful and shimmering that gold is. I just love the composition of this piece, and I love the way that it turned out. So I'm really just tickled by the results. It is for sale, but I won't be sad if it doesn't sell like right away, truthfully. I can't wait to show you the piece that I made last night. So my next video will be my normal sort of tutorial video, but I really appreciate you guys watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos just for you.